What's up everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to post a 60-second story on Instagram. Before we understood that Instagram would automatically cut up those longer videos into 15-second chunks, we thought it was fantastic when Instagram started allowing 60-second video uploads for stories earlier this year. It's no longer a problem, but first, you have to go to your Google Play Store and type in Instagram to make sure that the Instagram application is up to date. Once done, open your Instagram app. If you're about to add a story longer than 15 seconds, tap Share. You'll notice that the video is continuous, not truncated into 15-second segments. That means you're allowed to upload a 60-second video for your Instagram story. If you don't see introducing 60 or introducing longer stories with 60 seconds, then you may not be allowed to upload a 60-second video for your Instagram story. To address this, tap your Instagram profile, click the three lines icon, go to Settings, scroll down to Help, tap Report a Problem, and include your concern. For example, "Hello, please help me. I can't upload 60-second or longer stories on my Instagram." Add your email address, tap Send, wait for the customer service team to respond with a solution, and hopefully, they will help you solve this, and there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.